And rising oil-related costs linked to tensions in the Middle East are pushing up plastic prices in the southern hemisphere of China, putting pressure on profit margins and disrupting supply chains. Traders in Yangmontou, the country's biggest plastics trading hub, are also seeking a wave of panic buying as businesses rush to secure stock. Here's more detail in this package report.
This is Yangmontou, also known as China's Plastic City. Located east of Guangzhou, China's largest plastic trading hub has been feeling the sting of rising oil-linked costs driven by the Iran war. Plastic prices have risen sharply, squeezing margins, disrupting logistics, and fueling panic buying across the supply chain. Peng Xin, the general manager of a firm that manufactures plastic pellets, says costs have surged by about 60% since March. He also says his factory's safety stocks have been depleted with new raw materials being bought at elevated market prices, costs that he says would soon trickle down to customers. Zheng Bin, marketing manager at an online trading and pricing platform for plastic raw materials, said firms have been stocking up in preparation for a longer-lasting Iran war.
With the Middle East situation unlikely to ease in the next 1 or 2 months, panic has driven people to actively stock up. Upstream petrochemical plants without crude oil and feedstock to produce with have also been forced to raise their prices.
The rush to secure supplies has also clogged warehouses and roads. Warehouse owner Han Bing says this year is the busiest year he's ever seen, with daily turnover doubling to about 1,000 tons from around 500 tons previously.
At the peak, after March 5, Yangmontou was gridlocked for nearly a week. Traffic jams stretched about 6 to 9 miles. Every warehouse was packed to capacity, and both inbound and outbound cargo were heavily affected.
China is the world's largest plastic producer, consumer, and exporter of final plastic products, according to a 2025 report by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development.